Hello friends, welcome to another video on a static GK topic. In this class, we'll be learning about names of parliaments of different countries. So here in the first row, you can see the names of country, and in the second row, you can check the names of the respective parliament. So here we go. The name of parliament of Afghanistan is Shura. For Australia, it is Federal Parliament or Commonwealth Parliament. For Bahrain, it is National Assembly. For Bangladesh, it is Jatiyo সংসদ. For Bhutan, earlier name of parliament was Sogdu. It was till 2007. Then it was renamed to Parliament of Bhutan or Gyalgyong Chokhang. For Brazil, it is National Congress. For Britain, the name of the parliament is Parliament itself. The lower house of the Parliament of Britain is House of Commons, which is equivalent to Lok Sabha of India, and upper house of Britain's Parliament is House of Lords, which is equivalent to Rajya Sabha of Indian Parliament. For Cambodia, it is National Assembly. For Canada, it is Parliament itself. For China, it is National People's Congress. For Colombia, it is Congress. Denmark, Folketing. For France, it is French Parliament. The lower house is National Assembly and the upper house is Senate. For Germany, it is Bundestag and Bundesrat. Britain we have already covered, that is Parliament. For Iceland, it is Althing. India, it is Sansad. Iran, it is Islamic Consultative Assembly or Majlis-e-Shura-e-Islami. For Ireland, it is Oireachtas. For Israel, it is Knesset. Italy, it is Chamber of Deputies and Senate. Japan, it is Diet. For North Korea, Supreme People's Assembly. For South Korea, it is National Assembly. For Luxembourg, it is Chamber of Deputies. For Maldives, it is People's Majlis. Mongolia, State Great Hural. Myanmar, Assembly of the Union or Pitu Lutau. For Nepal, it is Rashtriya Panchayat. For Norway, it is the Storting. Pakistan, Majlis-e-Shura. Russia, it is Federal Assembly of Russia. The lower house is Duma and the upper house is Federation Council. For Saudi Arabia, it is Majlis Ash-Shura or Consultative Assembly of Saudi Arabia. For South Africa, it is the parliament itself. Sri Lanka, it is Parliament or Sri Lanka Parlamentua. Sweden, it is Riksdag. For Spain, it is Cortes Generales. For Taiwan, it is Yuan. Turkey, Grand National Assembly. And finally, we have USA. The name of Parliament of USA is Congress. The lower house of the Congress is House of Representatives and upper house is Senate. Now we'll be reading some interesting facts about the parliament across the world. The first one is the oldest surviving parliament in the world is Althing, that is in Iceland, which was made in 1930 AD. Second is mother of all the parliament is that name tag given to British Parliament. United Nations General Assembly is also known as World Parliament. Now we'll be seeing some facts about Indian Parliament. The first being the Parliament of India was designed by British architect Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. The construction was completed in 1927. The second is the Library of the Parliament is the second largest library in India after National Library of Kolkata. Third point, Lok Sabha's hall carpet is green in color, which represents the people that are elected from grassroots level. The hall of Rajya Sabha is adorned with red carpet, which denotes royalty and a constant remembrance of the struggle faced by our freedom fighters. And the last point is there is a proposition for the construction of a new Parliament of India by 2022. This is the end of lesson. Thank you.